Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Myself Pran Ramchandra Pawar from RIT College studying in SYB Tech Mechanical Engineering. So I am going to explain about how to apply manufacturing process on propeller shaft under the guidance of Professor A.B. Pawar. So as you can see that this is the propeller shaft. The propeller shaft is also known as the drive shaft, is a component of the drivetrain in a vehicle with the purpose of delivering torque from the transmission to the differential, which then transmit this torque to the wheels in order to move the vehicle. In most of the automotive vehicles, the engine is located at the front and the rear wheels of the vehicle are being driven. This arrangement stipulates a longer propeller shaft to be used. In some arrangement, 2 or 3 propeller shafts are used to make up the length. For applying the manufacturing process on propeller shaft, we require the various types of processes, in which first one is the selection of material, second one is selection of furnace, third one is pattern making, fourth one is molding, fifth one is casting, sixth one is fettling, seventh one is machining, eighth one is grinding, ninth one is balancing, 10th one is surface finishing, and 11th one is packaging and shipping. For applying the manufacturing process on propeller shaft, firstly we have to select the material and furnace. So we selected the material for propeller shaft is alloy steel as manganese bronze. It is the addition of other elements that makes us alloy steel very strong. We selected the electric arc furnace for melting of alloy steel, in which first process is pattern making. It is a process where from the design of the propeller shaft we make the similar pattern of fiberglass and putty. Next one is the molding. It is the process to make the mold to get a propeller shape. The mold is made from the fine sand and hardened agent. After molding, there is a process of casting. It is a process where molten metal liquid of propeller material such as manganese bronze will be put into the mold to form the shape of the propeller. After casting, there is a process of fettling. It is a process where the products of the propeller will be removed from the mold. After fettling, there is a process of machining. It is a process to remove the abundant part and drill the boss to make a hole on her. After this, the process of grinding. It is done to ensure that the blade angle is correct and follow the design. After grinding, there is a process of balancing. The propeller will be attached to a steel rod, then it will be put upon the roller table. If there have unbalancing weight of the blade, the more weight part will goes down. Worker will grind that part to reduce the weight to get balance with other blade. After balancing, there is a process of surface grinding. After balancing process, the propeller will be going to the grinding section again for surface finishing. They use sandpaper grinding disc to smooth the surface. After grinding, there is a process of packaging and shipping. After surface finishing, the propeller is ready for packaging. We put it into the wood box and cover it with plastic. Then it is ready for export to Europe by shipping. Then last process is quality assurance. Quality is important thing for each propeller to ensure that the propeller is following the rule of IMO. The material must be following the standards of shipping classification society to make it safe, reliable and durable. To ensure all of this happen, the company will use a special equipment to check the material content. A piece of product will be used for analysis. Computer will analyze the content before display it into monitor screen, and engineer will read the data and compare it with the manual space for propeller that which they built. After applying the process on propeller shaft, I got to know about how to manufacture a propeller shaft and which type of process are required for making propeller shaft. Thank you. If you like my video, then please like and subscribe and share.